So I'm not saying this might be the third time I'm here. Welcome to my head again. So last time I was here, and I want to record this second part of the main house, which is this section right here. See there? That door is locked now. Welcome to a dairy. And the reason why I actually wanted to do GoPro style was I want to have my hands free. It's so nice. So yeah, I've been here before. Sorry. I kind of know what I can show you, what is not really interesting, but I can hopefully show you a view from up there. That's pretty nice. There is this little entry here. You can just sneak in. Yeah, that's open today. Let's start around the corner. Here, that's the fastest. And the staircase is there. But yeah, in here, not a lot to it. Nice, clean, open air. Propaganda that is made wrong. Fresh air. We have nice, big room for whatsoever what it was used for. I'll be the worst real estate agent in the world. Holy shit, I'm not good at that. This is room. It's cold as hell. So over here we have the entrance that most people use, of course. I go totally against what I usually do, and I didn't take the hardest part this time. There's a door down there, that's locked. But yeah, that's it. I just forgot my head is bigger. So yeah, I want to go over there and up. The stairs seem to open. Okay. What the fuck? What's this? Fair enough. I hate going to the edge, but for you, I'm gonna do it. It's not that bad. Just a long way down. I mean, now this is interesting. It's like an office with no computer. I said it's locked. I don't want to destroy my jacket by going there. But yeah, this is the big room where they have another hatch to an attic of some sort. Toilet, nice and modern, I think. There's some fencer. I could go for a fencer right now. And a shower. They apparently uninstalled the showers, but they didn't clean on the shampoo. I mean, this fridge is empty. Good old ash glass. So again, thank you for watching, and stay safe to see you again. As always, my name is Nord. Bye bye.